Homemade natural face cleansing. We mustn't forget about our skin, the sensitive organ that covers practically our entire body. This means we need to worry about caring for our skin, not only for aesthetic reasons, but also for health reasons. Today we will pay special attention to the delicate skin on our faces. You don't need to go to a distinguished beauty salon and use expensive chemical products to cleanse and renovate facial skin. This can be done in our own houses, as well as with totally natural products. This isn't just about necessary body hygiene. This is also an excellent way to rejuvenate your skin. We propose that you follow these steps for a simple, natural, and efficient cleansing. Open your pores. The first step is to wash your face with soap and warm water. Once you've removed all the dirt and superficial impurities that accumulate throughout the day, we will transition to opening our pores before applying the cleansing mask. Preparing the area is a fundamental step in order to properly absorb the products we want to use. Heat a pot of water and bring to a boil. Remove from heat, and add an herb like lavender, chamomile, or green tea. Immediately, position face over the bowl, and cover with a towel so as to soak up the vapor that washes over your face. 2 to 5 minutes should be sufficient enough for the skin to sweat. Exfoliation or peeling. In this phase we want to eliminate dead skin cells that are crusted on the face, and to promote cellular regeneration. This will also help remove scars, prevent flaky skin, and promote good skin circulation. You always should do this after the face is nice and clean, with open pores. We do not recommend skipping any steps. You can do the peeling or exfoliation with different home recipes. Almond peeling. Combine the following ingredients and save in a clean, glass bowl. Apply each time you use this treatment, which could be once a week. 1/2 sea salt. -1/2 teaspoon pure almond extract. -1/2 coffee grounds. -1/2 brown sugar. 1/2 sweet almond oil. Coconut and chocolate peeling. Mix oil with sugar and extracts until it becomes uniform. Then add powdered cacao and save for use. -1/2 liquid coconut oil. -3 tablespoons unsweetened cacao powder. -1 brown sugar. -1/2 teaspoon pure coconut extract. -1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Lemon and almond peeling. Try to keep this mixture out of contact with liquids. Prepare before washing your face, and blend with your fingers before using. -1/2 teaspoon lemon zest. -1/2 sea salt. -1/2 sweet almond oil. It is important that you apply exfoliants with a soft, circular massage across the entire face. Place a slight amount of pressure, using an antiseptic makeup cotton ball. This step eliminates the dirt and dead cells, so we can continue then the rest of the natural treatment. Leave the paste on for another 20 minutes, allowing it to take effect before washing with warm water. Just after this step is when we can take the time to remove pimples and blackheads. This is the only appropriate time to do so if you want to avoid damaging skin and causing infections. Face mask. Once the skin is well cleaned, exfoliated, and any impurities are removed, the time has come to apply a natural mask, according to your own personal need. There are masks that moisturize dry skin, others that eliminate excess oil, some that eliminate marks, some that close pores, and others that fight the appearance of wrinkles. You can apply the mask until it hardens, or for peeling, keep it on your face for at least 20 or 30 minutes before washing with warm water. It's best to softly dry the skin with light touches. Below we will provide a few of the most simple and effective natural masks to prepare and to apply. Anti-wrinkle mask. In a bowl, mix 1/2 c of cucumber pulp, without seeds, and a rye. Apply thoroughly to the face, and let sit for half an hour, at least. pH restoring mask. Use 1 packet of gelatin with 1 cup of tomato pulp. Heat the gelatin and add the pulp, until a compact mask is formed. Once cooled, apply to the entire face, allowing to set for 20 minutes. The tomato will balance pH levels while the gelatin tones the skin. Hydrating mask. Half of a pureed avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 eggs. Beat the eggs until forming a foam, and add remaining ingredients. When it makes a thin paste, apply to the skin. This not only hydrates, but the avocado also helps control scars and hyperpigmentation. Keep the mask on for at least half an hour. As you can see, you don't need anything special to make a homemade mask. And the best benefit is that it is totally natural, with no contraindications. This will leave your face smooth and beautiful. Remove the mask with warm water, blotting your face dry. Close pores. Once you have finished cleansing, ideally you should do something to close your pores, and to prevent impurities from entering again. You can do this by applying ice-cold water to the skin, by melting a few ice cubes. If your mask had tomato or cucumber in it, they have already done the work of closing your pores. Other products that help close pores due to their astringent properties are green tea, mint, and apple cider juice. Lay them out over your face, having moistened the skin with a towel. Wait for them to dry well before once again washing your face with cold water. Skin maintenance. Once you have finished cleaning your skin, It is important to keep your skin properly hydrated so that this cleanliness stays with us for a while. Do not let it dry out, or become excessively oily. Using a moisturizing cream is great for this, making sure it is appropriate for each case. This will prevent your skin from being taut, dry, itchy, or aging. You should moisturize your skin daily in order to keep it firm and smooth. You can also make a homemade anti-wrinkle hydrating cream for dry skin. It lasts for 3 months when stored in the fridge, but we don't recommend you let it set that long, as it has a lot more properties the first few days after being prepared. Use the following ingredients: 25 grams of cucumber puree, -25 grams of distilled water, -25 grams of jojoba oil, -25 grams grapeseed oil, -25 grams rose essential oil. Blend all ingredients in a deep bowl, until the oil and water mix well with the other products. Store in a glass container. You can now begin to apply it daily in order to take advantage of these properties from the first day. It is advisable to apply this mask once you get out of the shower, as the skin will be clean, and the pores more open, so as to receive these wonderful effects.